Hello everybody, this is Katerina and of course I'm your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Today it's September 28th and we're expecting hurricane and maybe tornado, but I am off and I'm making video just for you because you know what, we just received holiday collection from Kylie Jenner and it's just so beautiful packaging. Her products, it's really good. I like names and let's just start. Okay, first I need to tell you, if you're gonna hear some noise, sorry, it's not me. We have like, I'm serious, outside it's awful. But let me show you this eyeshadow palette from Kylie. Okay, it's Kylie Jenner and look at this. First of all, look at this dear package and how pretty this is. Like, ooh. And believe me or not, I know you, I'm always like about Chanel, Lancome, like most expensive brands bring it. But I see it's not just my daughter who's 15 years old. Like I see 30 years old, 40 years old ladies coming like they looking lip product from her, and I'm 100% with you girls. I love all Kylie lip products. They stay amazing, they're not overpriced, and it's a good good product. And by the way, my favorite body exfoliator, oh, it's from her. Okay, let me show you. It is limited edition and we have here, okay, yeah, unbelievable. We have here matte, we have shimmer, we have metallic, and I like this color. We have like taupey color, we have brown and bronzy, and I believe, I'm looking price right now, I believe it's $45 shadow palette, and again it's 16 pressed powder eyeshadows. It's here and we are gonna try today. I'm gonna use this again, $45, really like. Then you know what, okay, oh, another products I am in love, it's her highlighter. First of all, look at how beautiful packaging, like pastel nude color, and this is highlighter. It's so pretty. Let me show you it. You know what, it goes like a butter. And what I like about this highlighter, it just really like beautiful. It's not like it sparkle everywhere and sheds everywhere. It's beautiful. And let me tell you, price point $24. Again, it's Holiday Collection from Kylie. And I do have two sets of her lip products, and one it's red, one it's neutral, and they are coming with as a full size, and they come with full size lip liners. And let me tell you a price, just a second. Okay, Holiday Collection matte lip stain, $29 for two products. It's amazing. Again, one it's more neutral pink and another it's red holiday. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna use. And then I'm very excited. I'm gonna show you to see this color. It's like, it's a beautiful baby girl pink. I love lip gloss colors like this. And it's and I'm sorry you don't see packaging, but I will put right here. It looks, oh, let me show you. Look at how pretty. This is like, it's like a little deer, and inside it's this lip gloss and name. Girls, this is its name of this lip gloss. It's number 323, Daddy's Girl. Come on guys, for Christmas all you girls, mommy, sister, wives, your daughters should have this. It's very pretty, and of course we're gonna try this. We will try a lot of product. $16 this lipstick ornament, and it's just unbelievable how beautiful packaging. But I'm gonna ask Sasha, who right now in Hungary, and she will show you on the screen how packaging look. But of course I'm gonna put link below, or you can go to my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and you will see all packaging and prices. And please support me, your favorite Katerina Nordstrom beauty stylist. Purchase from my link. Love you more than ice cream. And I have more to show. What else? It's very exciting. Ooh, this is what excited. This is it's Kylie Face and Body Liquid Highlighter. And you know what? Let's put this on my little bit beautiful décolleté and see if it's glow or not, because I like really beautiful glow. Holidays, it's almost here, and again it's a holiday collection, and again very beautiful, elegant and classy packaging. They don't feel cheap, they feel really actually good. They really good made. Okay, you know I like to talk. Let's try this. I put it on my a brush, and this is powder brush, it's long brush from Lancome. I want to see how it looks. Ooh. Did you see this, girls? Did you see this? Oh my god, how beautiful this. Oh, too bad I already have foundation and powder on me, but I should this apply first and then probably my foundation. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, let me check price. Oh my god, these products, it's only $24, but I'm serious. You can see I don't need even try too hard how beautiful. Give me a little bit color, even my chest, because I still have a little bit already unevenness there, but it's so pretty. Oh my god, this is will be pretty for leg too and for arm. Oh, I must have these products. I'm serious, and I probably will need to try mixing with my foundation, or on top foundation, or under foundation. So many ways to use this, and it's vegan, fragrance free, gluten free, cruelty free, and I really like this. Oh my god, you know, I like to talk. I feel like, you know what, let's do one video just I talking about these products, and second video will be probably how I use this product. Oh, I'm very smart. Okay, then we have with you another products, and this is it's lip balm. Okay, and I have, okay, and one is white, another it's little bit beigey, and I think I have another one. Let me find. Yes, I have a three lip balm here, and one is peppermint, second one is sugar cookie, and another one is ginger. It's $29 for three, and yes, I got this from Nordstrom just to try. This is like it's a testers, but I think it's like $9 and $9 for each lip gloss. It's good, but you know what, I expected there will be a color inside, but they actually not. They all three clear. Okay, let's try this. the all clear, and again I trying for you, it's a sugar cookie. They're not sticky at all. I don't feel any plumpness. They more feels like oil, I'll be honest with you, on my lips. But you know what? I also don't taste any sugar cookie. Actually, I do not like how they taste. Okay, this is products I'm gonna skip. I'm not gonna even try another two. It's definitely not my favorite. Ew. No, not for me. But again, I'm very excited about this glow. And you know what? Let me see. Ooh, it's dry. And it's not, oh my god, it stays amazing. It stays really good. It's not on my clothes, and oh wow, that's really good. Highly recommend this. This is, I think, should everyone woman have this beautiful highlighter. Okay, let's see, because I decided to make two videos. I'm gonna make just talking about her Kylie Jenner new collection, and second where we're gonna use her eyeshadow and lip liner. But let me show you. Okay, let's swatch. This is, it's my red collection holiday, and it's like it's a pinky red color. And let's put lip liner next. Ooh, perfect color for lip liner, and this will be actually perfect color for me, like pinky blue undertone, rosy red colors always looks great on me. Then we have another, and this is, it's a number 412. This is again Holiday Collection. Then we have matte liquid color 818, and I'm gonna put next. Oh wow, this is so pretty. This is beautiful color. I think like it's not too light, it's not too dark. Perfect color for me. This is color always looks beautiful on me, and I will probably use this on 90% of my girls because color is very safe. And look at this lip liner. Perfect lip liner. Ooh. And then let's see this beautiful lip gloss again. It's the Daddy Girl. Okay, this is how it's look inside. I love this package. I truly like this color. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's like a pearl pink. I don't know if you can see or not, girls. Come on, not focus on me. Yeah, I really love this. Okay, then again highlighter, it's beautiful. One more item, which one I have, and it's Kylie Lip Matte Lipstick 808 Kylie, and I'm not yet see on Nordstrom.com this. I'm not yet, but we already have in the store, and it's color right here. Beautiful, all three colors. It's beautiful. Again, it's her holiday collection. I know my daughter, she already is like stick her nose like, oh my god, mom, I like this, what is this? I'm like, don't touch this, don't touch. It is time to shop for holidays, and now we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette, and because it's gonna take me probably a few minutes to create look for you, I'm gonna do second video, okay, using her products. Love you more than ice cream. Please, thank you, give me thumbs up, and again, let's shop. Holidays, it's here. And of course I'm gonna put link below, and remember, it's hurricane right now outside. I'm working very hard for you. Give me love, girls, okay? Bye everybody.